I am Dr. Olakunle Daniel Olaniran, a Nigerian, a recent PhD graduate of Texila American University. My doctoral journey spanned 3.5 years, marked by enriching and positive experiences. Texila American University adopts a flexible and qualitative mode of learning. Lectures are comprehensive and downloadable. The institution conducts regular webinars which enhance the understanding of the curriculum. One notable feature of the school is the free hand given to students to choose their local guide, while the school designates an internal guide. The mentors at the university are highly committed and are friendly. The institution is proactive in resolving problems and addressing complaints from students. Moreover, the school offers a fee payment mode that is flexible and on installments-based arrangements. I confidently endorse Texila American University as an excellent choice for any student seeking a high quality education. Thank you.